This is a play date with the Australian Shepherds and the Aussie Doodles, the 2 litters. I've got all 15 of them in together and they're having a, oh, excuse that, having a ball. Having a wonderful time, aren't you? Yes, oh yes. Oh, they think it's all the Christmases come at once. That's a little Aussie Doodle. They're a fair bit smaller than the Shepherds because the Aussie Doodles were bred with a miniature poodle. So they're definitely going to be smaller than the Shepherds. Look at you. Oh, Frankie. Hey. Hey, Miss Pinky girl. Hey, Miss Pink. Hey, Miss Pink. What are you doing? Oh, look at you under there. Oh. Oh my goodness, oh this is so gorgeous. Hello Frankie, hey Frankie. He's up there having a good old time with the sheepskin. Bit slippy on the concrete. There you go, Miss Red, Mr. Green. Mr. Green's available and so is Mr. Orange and Mr. Blue. And this Mr. Orange, look at you. This little girl, she's got her family. And this cheeky one here, who's this? Who's this? Miss Black. Yes, you are just lovely, lovely. You're all lovely. Hello and welcome to a cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast, Queensland, Australia. Now I've got a smaller canvas today because I'm just trying something out. I haven't done this I've done them loads of times before, but I haven't done them in a while. I'm going to do some flip cup, I think a flip cup, and some chain pulls over a flip cup. So I've put the masking tape on the back of my canvas. It keeps the back of your canvas nice and clean. So if you're selling it after, obviously, or gifting it, it's got a nice clean bottom. So that's nicely prepared, a little canvas so I can give it as a gift. I've got some paints ready, which are purple, navy, and violet. Those are going to be for my chain pulls, and then I'm going to do a flip cup pour onto this, which I guess I need a that'll do for my flip cup pour. And I think I want to do the flip cup, I need to keep the colours neutral, so I'll probably do my flip cup in white and should I go gold, I think? And I think I might go champagne gold. So I've got this pre-mixed and it's a mix of 50% gold, 50% silver metallic. So, and I'm running out of white paint. So let's hope that I can get this done. Oh, that's both of them are running out, but they're nice light colours for my base, so I think they would make a really nice base for this particular piece. Now I've got marbles in here, so I've got to watch me marbles don't come out. Marbles are really good to help when you're shaking your paints in these bottles to help mix them. And then you just wash them when they come to the, end of your watch me marbles. Don't lose me marbles. I think I've already lost me marbles. That might be a good idea. Stop the marbles coming out. That's it. I get the last of my paint, but no marbles. I think I might add some antique gold. So that's the antique gold. So they're all metallic, so they should all make a lovely sheeny, shiny effect in there. hopefully I don't need much more than that. I'm just thinking, what colour have I got? I have got a little bit of, it's kind of like a flesh colour, so I might put this in, and if it will come out. Nothing's working for me today. You have days like that. Just push on, just get a skewer and poke it in the end. That'll fix it up. That's it. Oh, that is a bit sort of, apricot colour. I don't really like that at all. Never mind. What I'm going to do with this, I'm going to just stir it. 1, 2, 3. Hopefully I've got enough colour here to cover this little canvas. So I might just do like ring. Oh, I don't like that other colour I just put in. Let's go back up there with this. Should have mixed some more white and gold, but I thought it's only a little canvas, so it should be fine. But there you go. Not liking that apricot-y colour. But it's supposed to be for a base, so fingers crossed. That actually looks quite pretty. Let's get this canvas covered in this little mixture. So just tilting it so it covers your canvas nicely. I definitely have not got enough paint on here, I don't think, but it's actually turning out. The colours look quite nice together. That will make a good background if I actually have enough to cover my canvas. So I'll try and whiz through these tilty bits. That's it, just tilting your canvas nice and slow so it covers all the, doesn't matter so much on the very edges, because you can always just paint those white or one of the colours that you've got in the canvas. Go back down here again. Look at that for a nice background. It looks like cut stone. The actual apricot-y colour does give it like a sandstone effect, so not too bad at all. There you go. And just re-center it, because I'm going to just finger pop it to cover the rest. So it's basically not worrying about the very edges at this point, because I can, like I said, I just can paint those white. This is my background for my chain pull. But that is a lovely, lovely background, and it definitely looks like a cut stone effect. So happy with that one. Rightio, let's go, Joe. I'm going to start with, it's actually like what you call them? Yeah, just a metal balls. I don't know what you call those. I don't know. I've got my paint, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just dip my chain in my paint slowly. So there you go. So there's my chain in my paint. I obviously don't need all of it in because it's not a very large canvas, so I'll get the chain out of the paint. Ooh, this is a big one. This is a big one. And do some wiggles. Wiggle, wiggle. Now pop that down and just slowly. Ooh, look at that. Bring your chain down. Sometimes, oh, that's nice. Sometimes it is nice to let your background dry off a bit. Now, I always keep a cup of water to pop my chain straight into the water, because I've got several chains. So if you were reusing the chain again, you obviously just would wipe it off. So I'm going to go the navy colour now. and I might try, this is a smaller one, smaller chain. So different size, and you can certainly do it with string as well, string pulls. This is chain pulls. So just let your chain dangle in the paint. There's several ways you can do this. You can actually add the paint to the chain while the chain's on the piece of art. But I think I'm doing it the difficult way, as usual. No, come round here as if the chain's going to listen to me. But anyway, got to talk to it, haven't you? Rightio, I like to hold the chain in one spot down the bottom. Now let's see what we get with this one. Always nice having a different background because it gives you a different effect. That's gorgeous, looks different from the first one. Rightio. Got one more colour here, which is I think I did that colour, didn't I? Yeah, no, I've done that one. I'm gonna go, this is supposed to be another purple. Let's try it. I don't think I'm gonna do, it is a bigger chain, a fatter beads. Actually, this one's beads. Yeah. I'm not gonna do too much on this because they're much fatter beads, so that should look similar colour to that one. I didn't want to do loads of colours. That's very nice, very simple, easy to do. I'll turn it around in a second. You can use your skewer if you want to do some little stems off it. It's quite easy, she says. Might be nice on the very bottom to just create with my balloon. You can use your balloon as a tool. That's pretty. That is very pretty. I wonder if I'm trying something here, I might stuff it up. Oh, I hope not. I don't want to do that now. I'll best leave it. But look at that, it's a little pretty one. That's your chain pulls. So I believe if maybe you leave the base to dry a little bit longer, so it's a little bit tacky, not too tacky, that you might get more defined chain pulls. And so that's something I need to try. But that's very pretty. It almost looks as though they're hand-drawn flowers in there with that lovely background. I think that is definitely one to try, people. Please try it. If you want to show me your work, you can go to my acrylic art Facebook page, which is the Australian Acrylic Art Facebook page. The link is down below in the description box below this video, and you can join up after you answer a few questions, and you can show your work and get hints and tips of lots of other artists, beginners and advanced, from there. So please do so. That is a bit of a different background. I've done it before, but I haven't done it for a while, so hope you enjoyed that one today. Please give it a go and let me know how you go, and I will be back again tomorrow. So take care, my lovelies. Bye for now.